Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired January 26, 2026. The topic of that episode was Christ or Crapshoot, Principle or Dice. Swami, your insights.
Sowing to the flesh is the crapshoot, with the gain, loss, fear, and limitation, while sowing to the spirit is the Christ, with the certainty of the divine principle.
Looking for the reliable, immortal self? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya